Hello friends! So let's read a book about ocean animals today. I'm sure all the little ones love their baby shark. So here we go. We will read a book called Commotion in the Ocean today. So let's look inside Commotion in the Ocean. There is a curious commotion at the bottom of the ocean. I think we ought to go and take a look. What do you think we will find inside? You might see the gorgeous shark with the sharp teeth. We'll see the dolphin. We'll see the jellyfish, the angelfish, the starfish. We might see some nice penguins, followed by the polar bear. So, what are we waiting for? Let's see inside what is hiding here. Okay, so at the start we have the crab. The crab likes walking sideways, and I think the reason why is to make himself look sneaky and pretend that he is a spy. So can you see the crooked, tilted crab here? Okay, let's have a look at the turtles. We crawl up the beach from the water to bury our eggs on dry land. We lay a whole batch, and then when they hatch, they scamper about in the sand. So do you know what? The mama turtle, she swims across the ocean for a long time and it comes to the beach to lay its eggs. And then finally when they hatch, they go back in the water with their family. So we see the mama turtle, the papa turtle, along with the little ones here. Okay, now we see the beautiful dolphins. They are always in a group. The wonderful thing about dolphins is hearing them try to speak. But it's not how you would do, like I would say, how do you do? It's more of a click, click, whistle, whistle, squeak, squeak. So, you see the family, the papa dolphin, mama dolphin, the babies, the sister and the brother dolphin, making lots of noises here. Whistle, whistle, squeak, squeak, click, click. See how he's coming outside the water and having so much fun. Wow, now we see the angelfish. Hello, I'm the angelfish, darling. The prettiest thing in the sea. What a shame there are no creatures as gorgeous and lovely as me. See how gorgeous it is? Like this. Now we see the jellyfish. This is the jellyfish. The jellyfish just loves to jiggle, which other fish think is quite dumb. She knows that it's not all that useful, but jiggling is very good fun. The jellyfish keeps on jiggling like this. Oh yeah, now we see our shark. Baby shark, do 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 do. I swim with a grin up to greet you. See how my jaws open wide? Why don't you come and take a look inside? Please come closer and take a look inside. See the sharp teeth? All the starfish are going away, saving themselves. Eeks! So we see the swordfish here. Can you see? It's long. It's look like a sword. I love to chase after small fishes. It stops me from getting too bored. And then when I start feeling hungry, I skewer a few on my sword. And here you see the happy octopus. The octopus has 8 legs. It's playing with its babies here. Having 8 arms can be useful. You may think it looks a bit funny, but it helps me hold all my children and tickle each one on the tummy. Tickle, 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 tickle. Do you play tickle with your mother and with your brother? Isn't it so much fun? Oh, we have Stingray. At the bottom of the ocean, the stingray flaps his wings. But don't you get too close to him. His tail really stings. So it is called a stingray because if you see his tail, it can really sting you. Buzz! See, it's stinging. The little one, it gets a current. Sting! There is the lobster. Never shake hands with a lobster. It isn't a wise thing to do. With a clippity clap and a snippety snap, he would snap all your fingers in two. So this is how the deep sea looks inside. You have many creatures of different shape and size. Some have giant pointy teeth and some have great big bulbous eyes. Some of them can walk around and balance on their fins, but the strangest of all have glowing whiskers on their chins. Isn't this strange looking creatures? You can find them in the deep blue sea. See, we see a volcano here inside the deep sea. The blue whale. There is no other beast on the planet as big as the giant blue whale. He measures a massive 100 feet long from his head to the tip of his tail. Isn't it really huge? It is the biggest mammal on earth. Walruses. They aren't very pretty. Our bodies are covered with blubber and our tusks are incredibly long. We are grumpy and proud and we bellow our loud to show that we are mighty and strong. See a group of walruses resting here. Can you spot a black whale here? This is where it is, near the walruses. Oh, here come the cute little penguins playing around in the snow and the water. Penguins, we waddle about on our icebergs, which makes our feet slither and slide. And when we get close to the water, we leap with a splosh off the side. Polar bears, deep out in the Arctic, the mummy polar bear snuggles up with all her children and it's very cold out there. See, the mummy polar bear is with her children here. Can you spot the papa polar bear? Has he gone out to bring some food for the little ones? What a lot of creatures we have seen beneath the sea. What a lot of funny things they do. Some of them might lick their lips and eat you in one bite, like the big great shark. And some might want to swim around with you, the dolphins. The dolphin is very friendly and the lobster is very fierce. But the shark is the most dangerous by far. Can you name the other friends we have made along the way? See if you can tell me who they are. So there is the starfish here. Who else can you name? Do you see the octopus? You can name the jellyfish, the angelfish, the swordfish, the great blue whale. Wasn't this an interesting book? Bye. See you later.